What is the coefficient of x in the expansion of x plus 3 cube? Coefficient of x means that when you expand this expression, then the number or the constant that comes along with the variable x, where the power of variable x is 1, that is what we have to find out. Well, a very easy question. Direct application of the identity. Only the condition is that you remember the identity well. So let us do this. We have to expand x plus 3 cube, and it resembles the identity a plus b whole cube, which is equal to, if we expand it, it becomes a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now here a is x and b is 3. Just use the identity, expand, substitute x in place of a and 3 in place of b. Let's see what happens. X plus 3 whole cube will be equal to a cube, that means x cube, plus b cube, that means 3 cube, plus 3 into a square, that is x square, into b, which is 3, plus 3 into a, that is x, into b square, that is 3 square. Let us simplify this. Equal to x cube plus 3 cube is 27, plus 3 into 3, that is 9 x square, plus 3 into 3 square. Now 3 square is 9 into 3, that is 27x. Can be written as, if you arrange the terms in a chronological order of the power of their variables, we get x cube plus 9x square plus 27x plus 27. The question was the coefficient of x. Which term has x? It is plus 27x, out of which this is the variable and we have to find the coefficient, which is plus 27. So coefficient of x in this case will be 27, which is our answer. Remember the identities. Once you remember the identity, it is not a difficult question. Just use the identity, expand, and you have the answer. But if you don't remember the identity, or if you make any mistake in writing down the identity, then your answer will get wrong. So remember the identities, use it in the right way, and you will get the solution. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.